I think that now I'm like a prisoner. Sometimes I close my eyes and think that maybe I'm slept and I'm seeing a nightmare. Every day I hear different stories from Taliban that they use violence against civilians. Near to our house, I heard that a number of Talib, they have cut the hands of two people that they have stole something. Women are not allowed to go to work. For example, if a woman wants to go out, she should have a man with himself. Also, women, they have to have burqa and they have to hide their face from that people should not see. They say that men should not wear jeans and t-shirt. They have to wear Afghan dress.
They continue their searching door to door for people. In spite of general amnesty announced by the group, this really worried many people, including me. The Taliban also has the female students to come to schools with full hijab. I was just about to be finished and be graduated and just not even finishing the last semester. And to be honest, I really don't want their stamp, the Islamic Emirate, on my education documents. All the gains that we made over 20 years are now over.
When they started their attacks, sometimes we didn't have power because they damaged the electricity lines, and also sometimes we didn't have even drinking water. In Herat city there is enough food and medical supplies, but in remote districts people couldn't come to city and buy something. They faced many problems. They were in shortage of medical supplies and also food. But fortunately, from last week, all ways to the district is opened, and people come to the city and buy the things that they want.
People are fearful for the future and for the country's economy. People are selling their appliances. They have been taking their fridges and TVs, rugs and dishes, and selling them off. They're selling their things and using the money to get away. Some are wanting to get to Iran, some to Europe and the West if they can. People are worried. They think that the situation will get worse.
All I'm thinking is to find a way out of this Afghanistan to build a future for myself, because I don't think it will be possible in Afghanistan as I dreamed.